نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد والقرآن الحميد وإنك لعلى خلق عظيم. Good evening to honorable judges, dear teacher and other fellow students. I am Tufail. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam.
I am here to express my views on the description of our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him. Describe him to me and Muslim. Look at the description of our Prophet. This would be the first time you hear. I saw a man of striking appearance, radiant face, beautifully created. His belly wasn't protruding, nor was his head disproportionate and small. Proportionate and delicate was finely made a specimen of creation. In his eye there was a contrast. The dark was immensely dark, and white was excessively white. In his voice was a natural echo. In his eyelashes were long. In his eyebrows were arched, but they were not joined. It was submitted. When he was silent, dignity covered him. When he spoke, it was audible, clear, almost commanding and overtaking from afar. The most striking and outstanding in appearance. When he came near, the best of them and most handsome in closeness, saw such an exalted and sweet level of logic, like when he used to say, speak. It was clear, it was so coherently, it was smooth and not easy to understand. He was to the point, not excessive, not too short. His logic, his words, his utterances were like a jewel coming out from necklace, calculated, polished, one after the other. It would flow magically. He was medium in height. Your eye didn't have to stand to look. No, it was tedious to look down. It was comfortable inside. He had friends. The people that were with him, they were working around to protect him. When he commanded, they used to fulfill his command. This is Muhammad Rasulullah. This is Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. وأحسن منك لم تر قط عيني وأجمل منك لم تلد النساء خلقت مبرأ من كل عيب كأن قد خلقت كما تشاء. Anas ibn Malik says, I came out one night. It was full moon night. It is beautiful, it is handsome. I said, let me, if the moon is more beautiful, or my prophet is more beautiful, if that is more handsome, or my prophet is more handsome. He said, so I went, I saw him standing afar. I look at his face, I look at the moon. I look at his face, I look at the moon. I look at his face, I look at the moon. He says, Wallahi, he was the more handsome and more beautiful than the moon. Because this is just the look of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. بلغ العلا بكماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسن جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. Imran says, I said to him many times, but if you ask me to describe his face, I can't describe it because I wouldn't be able to look up. Coming of his majesty and reverence, because he didn't the problem that Yusuf alayhi salam had, because it was difficult to penetrate the awe and the splendor of our Prophet, peace be upon him. The Buddhist Iqbal says, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, कि मोहम्मद से वफा तूने तो हम तेरे हैं, ये जहाँ चीज़ है क्या लोहे कलम तेरे हैं, वमा अलैना इल्लल बलाग.